Welcome to the GPS Audit. The Graduation Planning System, or GPS, is designed to provide students, advisors, and faculty with an organized and real-time presentation of a student's academic record. With GPS, you can check progress toward degree completion, create a semester-by-semester plan for future courses, and review course history. When you log into Flashline, click on the Faculty and Advisor Tool tab, then choose the GPS Audit link. The first screen you'll see is the GPS Audit homepage. When you enter a student ID, a degree audit will appear. The top section shows the student's name, ID number, degree, and major. The degree audit also indicates when the audit data were last updated from Banner. If the information is not current, you should click the refresh button located to the right of the date. Before viewing an audit, you should click the Process New button in order to be sure all updates are reflected in the audit. Information in the audit is organized in blocks that relate to similar requirements. The first block, or header block, contains additional student information, including the assigned advisor. The next block is the degree block. It summarizes all of the degree requirements and indicates the fulfillment status of each. The status of residency, total degree hours, overall GPA, and upper division hours displays until they are fulfilled, and then they will disappear. The degree block also shows the completion status of other requirement blocks in the audit, as well as the Ohio Transfer module. The third block lists the 4 common university requirements, which include Destination Kent State, the Writing Intensive course, and Global and Domestic Diversity courses. Block 4 shows a summary of the Kent core requirements. Each category is displayed and includes all courses that are eligible to be selected. If you click on any of the classes, you will find a course description, campus offered, and times when they are offered in the course link feature. As those requirements are satisfied, they will receive a green check mark. You also can see when the course was taken. The fifth block is the major summary. All major requirements, including concentration courses if needed, are listed here. Courses that have been satisfied or are currently in progress are so indicated. Some programs have an additional major block. Courses will appear here if they are Kent core courses but have a minimum grade requirement, or if they are required in the major but are not used to calculate in the major GPA. The completion status of the Ohio Transfer module displays next. This is informational only and does not affect your status toward graduation. The next block lists all general elective courses. These are all classes that have not been used to satisfy a requirement in one of the previous blocks, but are eligible to count toward degree hours. Transfer courses not already used may also appear here. If courses appear in the insufficient block, it is because the grade does not qualify to be used toward the degree. Examples are W, failing grades, and audited courses. Any courses with forgiven grades will also display here. Courses in this block can never count toward graduation hours, but the grades, unless forgiven, calculate in the GPA. The In Progress block lists all courses in current and future registration. The last block is labeled Ineligible. Courses found here cannot count toward graduation, but do calculate in the GPA. These include classes that have exceeded a limit, such as too many hours of physical education classes, or courses that are duplicates. They also include developmental courses that do not count toward degree hours. At the bottom of the page, you will find a legend that will help you interpret symbols found throughout the audit. The information contained in the GPS audit is updated nightly. Official changes will be reflected the following day. Thank you for viewing this tutorial.